Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very affordable makeup haul. So I purchased a lot of these on different websites like HOK Makeup or Amazon or Nykaa. I just keep an eye out for really nice deals that I can get, and what I mostly do is like wish list stuff so that when there's a price drop I'm sort of alerted about it. So that is how I get really nice deals on some of these products. So yeah, most of these products, I'd say all of these products are within the 300-350 range. So the first couple of things are lipsticks. So the first two lipsticks I have here are the Revolution Pro lipsticks. I got them in the shade Visionary and Subliminal. This shade in Subliminal is a very deep wine red shade, wine red, or you could say a very deep pinky blue toned pink shade is the color. It's a very deep wine shade, so that is Subliminal. I got this because I had already gotten this and this was a little too light and I wanted something to mix with this shade Visionary. If you're anything lighter than me, this would be a really pretty nude pink for you, but for me this did wash me out a little. I also got a couple of Essence eyeliners. I was looking for colorful eyeliners for the waterline and these were going on sale for like 150 rupees. So I got these three shades right here. This one is in the shade Berry Fantastic. This is a nice berry toned red. Then I got this shade in Life in Pink, and then I got this purple shade. Yeah, this is called Purple Rain. This first one here is the purple shade, this is the pink shade, and this is the berry shade. The first one is the berry shade, this is the pink shade, and this is the purple shade. I really loved using the berry shade in my waterline. I have used it in the past and it's a beautiful shade for your waterline. Next I have these three highlighters, all from Miss Claire. This is their strobing powder. I got them in two different shades. One of it is a gift for a friend. This is in the shade number 2, which is slightly lighter. I'm not going to open it because this is supposed to be a gift. But this one that I got for myself is in the shade number 5. This is an amazing highlighter. I got it for around 150 rupees on sale on Nykaa, and it is an amazing highlighter in the sense that it's very natural. It does not have any glitter whatsoever. So if you can find the right shade variant for you, I think this comes around around 7 or 8 shades. If you can find the right shade, this is all you'll need in terms of highlighter. It's beautiful. I loved it, which is why I went ahead and purchased a backup for it. This is in the shade 5. I don't buy backups of makeup unless I'm very sure that I can use it and it's something that I love. So next I have a couple of Wet n Wild products. Yeah, so I have a backup of their Mellow Wine blush, which is one of my favorite blushes. I already have one of these open, so, and I've sort of repressed it after using a lot of it. So yeah, this is in the shade Mellow Wine. And then I have this bronzer from Wet n Wild in the shade, so it's in the shade What Shady Beaches. This is a very nice glowy bronzer. This is what it looks like. I've used it a couple of times and I liked the formula on it. It's not a very stark bronzer in the sense that it's very close to my skin tone. So if I'm using a lighter foundation, I like to just warm up my face with this bronzer. It's a very nice bronzer. Next I got this lipstick right here at a 50% off. I was looking out for this shade in particular. I think it's called Stay Beautiful. Yeah, I think it's called Stay Beautiful. This never went on sale on Nykaa, this shade particularly, but I got it off of Bodice.com. I got it for 299 rupees, which was a steal deal for this one. I've used other shades from this range and I've gotten them off of Nykaa for a good price, but this is in the shade Stay Exceptional. That's the one. So this one in particular never went on sale on Nykaa, but I got it on sale on Bodice. Good deal, got it. Oh, I had also gotten another Essence Kajal pencil. I don't know what shade this is in. This is, I think, 09 Cool Down. That is the shade. This is a blue color, a shimmery blue kajal pencil. This is what the shade looks like. And then I have some more eyeliners from Rimmel. I got one brown one. This is a repurchase. I've used one entire one up of this one, and I have another one in backup, and this is my third pencil. And then I have this one, which is a nude shade. I never find really nice white or nude liners to line my waterline, so I wanted to try this out. And then I have this Absolute gel liner. I haven't opened it yet. This again I got from one of those international shipping websites, either Beauty Joint or Cult Beauty. Those are the two websites that I shop from very often, so I'm sure I've got it from one of those places. And then I got the sugar eyeliner in Black Magic. So I got this one in Black Magic. I placed an order on their website when they had some wedding sale or something. Next I got the Mars non-transfer butter stick lipstick. I wanted this particular shade because I'd seen Akriti's video on this shade, and it is a very beautiful terracotta kind of red, and that is why I got it. I am really into pumpkin colored lipsticks, and I was looking out for nice pumpkin browns, pumpkin nudes, and that is why I got this. This has a very unique formula. It goes on like a cream lipstick and ends up looking like a liquid lipstick. So it's a very unique sort of lipstick. On the topic of nudes and browns, I also got this lipstick. I've swatched it right here from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Muse. It's their matte lipstick in the shade Muse. This is what it looks like. Again, a very nice shade. As you can see, it's a very nice neutral brown. Nykaa was selling all of their Molten Matte Lip and Cheek, I think, yeah, lip and cheek color at 50% off. So I got this shade in the, I got this in the variant Robin. This is a nice nude brown. It works really well both on the cheek and on the lip. I got two of these lipsticks from Insight Cosmetics. So I have one in the shade Divine Wine, which is a deep red, and another in the shade 11, I want to say. Oh no, it's 16 in Berries on Ice. This again, very nice nude brown shade. Next I got two brow products. I finally found the Essence Make Me Brown on, I think, NetMeds or 1mg. That is the only place that this in the shade Brownie Brows or Ebony Brownie Brows. I'm not sure what variant this is. I think it's Brownie Brows. Yeah, so it was the only place, yeah, it's 02 Brownie Brows. It was the only place that this particular shade was available in. So I got it off of that website. And then I also got the Nicka K Eyebrow Duo. This comes with an eyebrow pencil on one side, and then it has a eyebrow mascara or eyebrow gel on the other end, which looks like this. So yeah, it is a 2-in-1 sort of product, and it was very affordable. It was, I think, around $2 or $2.5, which is why I picked this up along with another order that I was placing. I got this Swiss Beauty lipstick. It is their Velvet Matte Smooth Velvet Lipstick. Matte Smooth Velvet Lipstick. I got this in the shade Honey Chestnut. Again, a nice brown nude shade. Let me swatch that right here. Yeah, so that is what the shade looks like. Again, a nice brown shade with a hint of pink in there. Now this lipstick is a repurchase. This is the Rimmel Velvet, what? Rimmel Moisture Renew lipstick in the shade Vintage Pink. I have used half of this lipstick up. I mean, even if you're not into lipsticks and you just want to use it as a lip balm, it works just as well. It's a very, very creamy, smooth formula. I don't want to swatch this right now. I have another one already open, so I'm not going to swatch it right now. It's a very nice dusty pink shade, but if you're any deeper than my skin tone, it wouldn't work for you. The shade itself wouldn't work for you. Next, I got the Lakme Lumi Moisture Cream Moisturizer with highlighter. Now this, a lot of people kept saying this is a strobe cream dupe, which is why I was just intrigued and I wanted to try it out. But I don't think it's a dupe for the strobe cream. I have swatched the strobe cream on multiple occasions and it doesn't seem or feel similar. This is what it looks like. It does have, I mean, honestly, you don't need this product. You could really just do away with mixing your existing highlighter with your current moisturizer. Any sort of creamy, thin textured moisturizer mixed in with a highlighter would give you a very similar effect. Next, I got this Rimmel lipstick in Amethyst Shimmer. I did not know that this came with shimmer particles in it because the swatch really didn't have any shimmery look about it. Although I don't know what I was expecting, given that its name itself is Amethyst Shimmer. As you can see, even just looking at the bullet, you can figure out that there's a lot of shimmer in there. So yeah, that was something I got. And then I got this Absolute mascara in oh, there's no shade or anything. This is their Length and Curl mascara. It comes in a nice squeezy package, squeezy tube, and then it has the mascara wand that comes out of this. It's still sealed. I don't want to open it because once I open it, I have to finish it up real soon. So that is that. Next, I also got the Rimmel Super Lash Extension Mascara. Again, I haven't opened it, so I will not be opening it on camera. This is the Extra Super Lash mascara from Rimmel. I think this comes in multiple shades and I got it in the shade 101 Black. And this again was going for like half off, which is why I picked it up. Their Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 63. This again, very beautiful nude shade. I have tried it out and I loved this. It's a very typical brown. I mean, it's really one of those colors that you would get in your paint box, and it's very similar to this Makeup Revolution Muse. Now that I'm looking at them again, the Soft Matte Lip Cream formula is great. It's a very thin textured, non-drying formula. Next, I got two of these e.l.f. bite-sized products. This is the bite-sized duo in pomegranate, and then this is the bite-sized eyeshadow quad in pumpkin pie. So these are the two things I got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. This was buy one get one. So since this was all under 300, so I featured it in this video instead of one of my Nykaa hauls. Last, I have this Nykaa Nail Potion Nail Strengthener. This again is a repurchase. I have used up an entire bottle of this. How I use it is really, I put this as a base coat, and then on top of it, I would go in with any nail paint that I'm using at that point in time. So yeah, this is their nail strengthener. A nice thing to have. I've noticed less yellowing of my nails when I use this with any of the dark colored nail paints that I'm using. Alright, so that's it. So that brings us to the end of this small affordable makeup haul. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.